Hi, my name is Jess from Pure Beauty and I teach young women like yourself that is watching me right now on how to get better with makeup, and also in the future of this channel there will be healthy supplements that will help you too. So let's go on with the video. Okay, so in today's video I will be recreating a makeup look from this girl I met on Instagram, and I will put the picture up here on what I'm going for. And you can follow her on Instagram. Her name is Caitlin and I'll put her Instagram tag here. So let's get going. Okay everyone, so the first thing I'm going to do, which is going to be a bit unusual, but I've done a video before on this and I'll pop it up here to show you that it does work. So here is the Powerlips fluid lipstick, and it's great for your lips because it's smudge proof, kiss proof and all that jazz. But also you can use it on your eyelids. And it's smudge proof also, as you know, that I've just said, so it won't come off on your eyelids, but it's a great look to it. It really does make your eyes stand out. So let's go on.
Suddenly I'm paralyzed. I just get this crazy feeling looking into your eyes. Just you and me is what it should be. You're feeling these butterflies. Find a way inside my head. I think back on all the stupid things I said, but you have this effect on me, and if we're being honest here, there's no need to pretend. We could be so much more than friends. Just you and me is what it should be. You're giving me butterflies. My heart skips a beat when you're with me. Suddenly I'm paralyzed. I just get this crazy feeling looking into your eyes. Just you and me is what it should be. You're feeling these butterflies. Butterflies. Take me back to the night that we first met. Your eyes on mine, I bite my lip. I knew that this was it. Take me back to the night that we first met. Your eyes on mine, I bite my lip. I knew that this was it. This was it. Oh baby, just you and me is what it should be. You're giving me butterflies. My heart skips a beat when you're with me. Suddenly I'm paralyzed. I just get this crazy feeling looking into your eyes. Just you and me is what it should be. Feeling these butterflies. You and me is what it should be. You're giving me butterflies. My heart skips a beat when you're with me. Suddenly I'm paralyzed. I just get this crazy feeling looking into your eyes. Just you and me is what it should be. Feeling these butterflies. Butterflies.
I know you want me, but I want you more. Sitting thinking about the times when I still ignore the signs. Are you thinking of me? I'm not quite sure, but my intuition's telling me you never really were. I've been running, been trying to hide my feelings I can't deny. Might be wrong or right, I want you in my life. I keep thinking about you. I just can't get you out my mind. Can't get you out my mind. I keep thinking about you. I just can't get you out my mind. Can't get you out my mind. You keep saying the same thing, but your actions say another. And if it's not real, why do you even bother? I like you, but this is not cool, and I can't let you keep on playing. I keep thinking about you. I just can't get you out my mind. Can't get you out my mind. I keep thinking about you. I just can't get you out my mind. Can't get you out my mind. You're no good to me. No, 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 no good to me. You're no good to me. No, 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 no good to me. I keep thinking about you. I just can't get you out my mind. Can't get you out my mind. I keep thinking about you. Thinking about you. I just can't get you out my mind. Can't get you out my mind. You're no good to me. Can't get you out, baby. You're no good to me no more. No, 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 baby. You're no good to me. No, 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 no good to me. I just can't get you out my mind. Can't get you out my mind.
Said you wanna talk in the living room. I'ma take this ride. To get away from you, it's like the same track on repeat. No matter what, you never get what you need. Anything I do isn't good enough according to you. I'm still messing up, it's like the same songs on repeat. There's no point of staying, that's why I leave. If only I could've saved us before we crashed. Got caught up under these waves, and now we're trapped. Never thought we'd see the end, but I understand. Good things don't last, no, good things don't last. If only we could restart everything we had. But before it fell apart, I'd be cool with that. How do we end up hating each other so fast? Good things don't last, no, good things don't last. I just wanna talk, but you walk away. I want your love, I'm begging you to stay. I know I messed up in the past, but baby, this time we will last, yeah. Cause everything you do wasn't good enough, and every time you try, you would mess it up. It's like the same songs on repeat. There's a point in staying, so please don't leave, yeah. If only I could've saved us before we crashed. Got caught up under these waves, and now we're trapped. Every time we see the end, but I understand. Good things don't last, no, good things don't last. If only we could restart everything we had. Before it fell apart, I'd be cool with that. How do we end up hating each other so fast? Good things don't last, no, good things don't last. Something tells me that this has been over for some time. Said you needed space so that you could clear your mind. Give me all your love, did I ever give you mine? You dropped all the hints, but I never saw the signs. And I don't wanna lose you. I know that it's not your fault. I don't wanna lose you. Got your picture in my phone. Swear to God you're leaving, but you don't gotta leave right now. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Feeling so lost here without you. Sitting here, broken hearted. I've never been so low, 'cause I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Feeling that you're better off, I can't lie. You deserve the best and I just can't provide. Please don't blame yourself for the tears inside your eyes. I know that it hurts, it's not like we didn't try. And I don't wanna lose you. I know that it's not your fault. And I don't wanna lose you. Got your picture in my phone. Swear to God you're leaving, but you don't gotta leave right now. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Feeling so lost here without you. Sitting here broken hearted. I've never been so low. 'Cause I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Feeling so lost here without you. Something tells me that this has been.
Okay, well, this is the finished makeup look, and if you made it this far in the video, there will be some videos popping up here that you should click because I think they'll be very, very helpful to you. I'll wait. Have you clicked one yet? Okay, bye for now.